Washington is hours away from another federal government shutdown, with prospects looking bleak for a last-minute compromise in Congress to avoid closures beginning at 12:01 a.m. on Wednesday. A lot of government would continue during a shutdown. FBI investigators, CIA officers, air traffic controllers, and agents operating airport checkpoints would continue working. So would members of the armed forces. But they wouldn't get paid until a lapse in federal funding ends. Most operations concerning Veterans Affairs would also continue, such as healthcare and the distribution of benefits. However, other agencies will be more directly affected. Some agencies have recently updated shutdown plans on their websites. Others still have plans that were last updated months or years ago. Here's what some of those plans say. The Department of Health and Human Services will furlough around 41% of its staff, nearly 80,000 employees. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention will continue monitoring for disease outbreaks, but CDC communications to the public will be hampered, and the National Institutes of Health will not admit new patients to the clinical center, except for those whom it is medically necessary. The Department of Education will furlough nearly 1,500 employees, excluding federal student aid workers. The National Park Services will close all parks with facilities or areas inaccessible during non-business hours. At parks where it's impractical or impossible to restrict public access, staffing will vary by park. In a provocative move, the White House's Office of Management and Budget has threatened the mass firings of federal workers if a shutdown occurs. That'd be a much more aggressive step than in previous shutdowns, when furloughed federal workers returned to their jobs once Congress approved government spending.
Welcome to Money Control, your ultimate destination in the ever-evolving world of finance, business, markets, policy, and technology. India's preeminent news platform, driven by facts and fueled by data. A platform made in India, and for the world. Moneycontrol.com has a staggering reach of 100 million plus monthly active users and 6.02 million daily active users. Being a transformative digital force, reshaping how we engage with money, markets, and news. Setting us apart is our commitment to delivering accurate information and empowering financial decision-making in a dynamic ecosystem. Seeking a deeper dive into the financial realm, we present Money Control Pro, a powerhouse of exclusive insights, providing actionable investment ideas and expert analysis. Because in today's fast-paced world, informed decisions demand both information and expertise. And we have 1 million plus Money Control Pro total paid subscribers and 100% return in 1.5 years, beating the market. Explore market trends, access expert opinions, and utilize essential financial tools all at your fingertips. Join the millions who trust Moneycontrol.com for their financial journey, where facts meet finance and data drives decisions. Think markets, think Money Control.